Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some pint art. I have 5 cups of flour into this bowl, all-purpose flour. I have 2 cups of shortening and 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Alright, and I'm gonna blend it all up together. Make sure that it gets crumbly, and then I'm gonna add the ice water. All right, make sure that your hands are clean, and first you have to do is mash the flour, the butter and the lard in the flour. All right, using your 2 hands. It must come back looking like flour, right? So when you rub it like this together, it must be able to, right? Now I'm gonna get the ice water and I'm gonna bring it together, right? And then place it in the fridge for an hour or so. It depends on how long you want to keep it in the fridge for. Sorry. All right, see, you want a nice flaky dough. All right, so this is 2.5 cups of water, so I'm gonna pour half of it. All right, and then I'm gonna as soon as I finish bringing it all together, I will be back. All right. Bring in a ball. See, like this. So I only use 1 cup of water, ice cold water, in order to get this together. Okay, so I'm gonna plastic it, or just leave it right in this bowl, cover it, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. No, I'm gonna put it on plastic. Sorry, hold on. some Ziploc bag. So I'm gonna put it in there. All right, like this. I'm gonna wrap it and put it in the fridge. Stay tuned. So here we have it. This is the dough that I've already mixed. I didn't show you guys how I make this jam. I will do another video as to how I make this jam. This is a pineapple jam, and I'm going to cut these in small balls and show you guys when I roll them out. Alright, stay tuned. So after done, I cut these in small like balls, and I'm rolling them half round, and then I'm gonna roll them out flat, like in a maybe half-inch thick, and then put the jam into it. All right, so stay tuned. This is what it will look like. I'm going to use 2 eggs for the egg wash. Some people just put just the yolk alone, but I'm going to use both. Right. And then you're going to add just a little bit of water, optional. So I'm gonna start rolling out the dough. You gotta make sure the surface flour well so that this dough would not stick. All right. This. And we're gonna hold it like this. Like this. Make sure so you press the ends down. I want to put it because I don't want the jam to be leaking out. What I'm supposed to do is make sure to seal the edges with the egg wash. All right, like this. This is the pan. It's already greased, and I have some parchment paper on the top on it. So I'm going to place there. All right. I'm going to do one more and let you guys see. This is what it look like when it finish rolling off. I'm gonna continue putting some egg wash on it. In the meanwhile, the oven hot, and I'm gonna put it into the oven to bake. All right. Half an hour, and then it is done. Or until it gets to the color that I am looking for. Into the oven. Now I have to finish putting the egg wash on this pint tart. I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for half an hour or less. It depends on how brown you want it. I want it a little brown, so I'm going to take half an hour, and then I'm going to be right back. Sorry. All right, see it? So this is it when it's finished. You see, when you get to pull the dough over tight over the jam, you see how it start open. But this is it. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thanks for watching, and be safe, be careful, wash your hand, wear a mask, look out for each other. All right, coronavirus is real. And please watch the ads. Please watch the ads. Bye.